Hello, my name is Arnoud Helmantel. I'm the product manager for Luxul in EMEA, and we're here at the ISE booth of Legrand rAVe at ISE 2020. What I will be introducing to you is the lineup of Luxul PoE network switches, managed network switches, which we have available in two major categories. One is the versions with the special AV versions with ports on the back of the unit. It's one of the cool things that you can make a very clean installation, rack installation, without any CAT cables showing when you are having a very clean, nice rack setup. All these switches are PoE network switches and will offer a PoE budget that can power basically every port with a PoE device, optimized for AV over IP. And also one of the things with AV network switches, quite often they are installed in the same room as the user. So what we have done with all these switches is make sure that the fans in those switches are either completely fanless or as silent as possible, so not interrupting the user when they are in the room with an active AV system. Please visit us at legrandAV.com or visit our live stream which is currently streaming at the Vadio HQ YouTube channel. And thank you for visiting, and please hope to see you.